Welcome back, my dear students. So I was taking a little coffee break because we have this error here, and I didn't know if it was gonna take long or not to fix it. So I promise that if it takes longer than 1 minute, I'm not going to fix it in front of you. I'm gonna fix it myself. But I wanted you to try it to see if you can fix it. All right. So remember that when we are coding for a lot of hours, we can make mistakes that are very easy to miss. All right. So now the problem is that when we are, let's go to tasks. And when we are updating right here, we click update. We need this to take us. You see, I told you if I take more than 1 minute that I was not going to do it, and it took me less than 1 minute. The problem here is that we are actually trying to access the individual project, right? So we can actually access the individual project. What we need to do is redirect, all right, to all our projects, to our project's homepage. All right, that's what we need, and we need to put something here saying task updated or something like that. All right, and later on, what we want to do is we want to display right here the tasks too. So let's go to our project controller, the edit. Actually, not the project controller. I'm sorry, the task controller right here. Jeez, and then the edit. There we go. They are very similar, so it's very hard to sometimes to not get confused. So we are redirecting here to project display. All right, make sure that and I did have a misspelling here. I believe I fixed it, but anyway, make sure that you are spelling it correctly to that folder that you're supposed to be doing. And there, right? So let's go to our index for our projects right here, and let's put some notifications here, and we're gonna say task updater or something like that, right? So this would be in the success, of course, and this would be this would say task updated. Now I think we need to create that notification. That's okay, we'll create it right now. All right, let's go back to our task controller, and right after, before he actually, it is created already. We did create it already. We went ahead and did it. Let's go ahead and let's go to tasks, display one. That's okay. Edit. Let's just, and we are actually displaying, let me see something here. This project ID, we have a bunch of tasks for project ID. All right, but it's not getting it here. So maybe we have this. Oh, you know what? It says task created is updated. All right, now we should be good. Let's check it out. All right, tasks. Now, something looks weird here. We're supposed to get that 8, that 7, but let's just do this. And now we say your task has been updated, created. Ah, Jesus. Sorry about that, guys. I don't know. We what happened is that we copy this from the created method and from the create method, and we never change this to notification. All right. So that happens sometimes when you copy and paste stuff. So be careful. Okay. So now it's gonna work. Okay. On the next lecture, we're gonna continue building on this. And all right. Happy coding. Thank you so much. See you then. Bye bye.